Hi, my name is Ross Crandall. I'm the co-founder of Purlew. Purlew is a digital town square, and what we do is we actually connect neighbors with their communities. Just kind of a little bit about some of our features is we actually create real-world connections, and these are connections with your neighbor, physically located where you live. Within Purlew, it's an open hyperlocal platform that allows you to explore your city. And allows you to stay updated with local news and current events that are happening. So just kind of jump right in. Membership is free and glitchy. So basically, we'll see how far we can get. So what you can do is you can type in a address here, and we just very basic information because we need this to find out where you live. And I don't know if Wi-Fi is being blocked. However, we can do a video. So we'll just do that. So I'll give you a video at this point. Purlew is a digital town square. We're a hyper-local platform that connects neighbors and communities. And some of the features that we do is we actually provide real-world connections with neighbors. We mandate the real name and real addresses, and your friends are only those that live next to you physically. Purlew also provides a way for you to explore the city as far as small businesses, municipality, parks, recreation, etc. We also provide local news. So I'll just kind of jump right into the demo and have some closing stuff at the end. But membership is free. And to sign up, we simply start out with an address. And what this does is it stores in the system, and then it plots your point. So you're able to maneuver your point more precisely to make sure that you're in the right location, and we do limit the distance in which you can move it. It's like 300, 400 feet. Then we get into this feature which we call mutual fencing. Mutual fencing is where you are agreeing with others that you share the same neighborhood. So you draw your fence around your neighborhood, and you're instantly connected with others who have drawn you within their fence. So if you are both fenced within the same spot, you're mutually agreeing that you share the same neighborhood. So we ask for some very basic information, first and last name. We do this because A, we want you to be truthful with your neighbors. It's always a good start. And we can also then verify that you are living where you claim that you live. So we don't ask for a lot of information or background or history about yourself. Once your account is created, we'll actually give you a little bit of a drop down here, which will give you some information on what you can do to partner within your neighborhood. But in the background here, it's actually validating that you are who you are. So right now we're a bit fuzzy. Harrison Ford really isn't my neighbor, so I can actually utilize a join code. So I'm a neighbor and I can share a join code with others, so I'm vouching for them. We also do a text message so we can validate a cell phone. We also, third option is obviously validate through credit card. So once I submit and I've verified who I am, I then get into the main screen here. And this is your main neighborhood platform. So we provide a few tools here, which is to be able to post, broadcast out stuff that you want to say to your neighbors. And this can be used however you want. I need a babysitter, or I want to share something, or I lost my dog, etc. And then you can also comment on those. We also provide a way to send private messages to your neighbors, and we use this neat little drop down that makes it easy to find who you're looking for. Maybe you don't know their name, but you know their face or their address, and so you can send a private message there. You can also click on each person here, which is represented within your neighborhood, to see who that person is. We also do events within neighborhood. So you can create an event that's shared with everybody within the neighborhood, such as I want to do backyard barbecue, I'm starting a run club, a book club, those types of things, and share those locally. As I mentioned, we do hyperlocal news, so this is a feature that we're actually in development now and we'll be implementing in the upcoming weeks, so that will be out in the public soon. We also incorporate deals. Deals are basically derived from local small businesses, and they can provide, we look at this like a loyalty club. This only goes out within a 5-mile radius of their business. So these are the people that are 80% more likely to repeat business with them. Right now we're actually pulling in Groupon just to enhance our experience as we build our member base. We also have events. Events are a mutual spot here within neighborhoods and within the community as a whole. A business can actually create an event like a grand opening. They can say, hey, we're having a cash mob where everybody can just come down and buy one, get one, an ice cream, etc. So we provide some basic information on the event, location. People can comment, creating that social recommender value there. Neighborhood events are exclusively just within your neighborhood, so anybody who you're fenced in within neighbors. We also provide a community view. So this is an easy way for you to see all the different businesses, the parks, government buildings that are within your community. So this is based on a 5-mile radius for the business. So if a business is in here, they're available to the public, and you could just easily see like, hey, you know, we want pizza tonight, or let's go out to dinner and see what businesses are there. So here's the local business tavern, and I can then find out their hours, and you know, it'll show up any sort of current deals that they have. Unfortunately, I'm running low on time here, so I can't get into the other half of the site, which is the business aspect. So businesses are able to sign up and become members of the community and become involved, and that's where they would push out deals and stuff like that. So again, we're focusing everything on hyperlocal. We're actively in beta, so anybody in this room can easily sign up and get your neighbors involved. We are actively developing out features that we're partnering with other organizations on, such as getting real-time crime data for neighborhoods. We're looking at getting partnerships within municipalities, parks and recreation.
So yeah, sorry about the hookup, the hang up there, but we're easily defined. You can check us out at www.purlew.com and sign up.